on, Alpha and Omega, fam? Welcome back to the channel, all you beautiful people. How you guys doing today? You alright? I'm looking forward to this, man. I fell in love with this band when I did their, I think their first reaction I did was Wild Eyes. This is Parkway Drive. And the song we're going to be doing today is Vice Grip. Now, this is one of the hardest, like, Australian metal bands I've heard ever. So, I love these guys, man. So, let's see what this Vice Grip's about. Shall we? If I can get my mouse to work. Hey, look at that. It works. All right. Cool. Oh, a silent war of mind and soul. Light in the darkness. Oh. Hope for the hopeless. He's basically like, he's talking about being the positive influence. You know, is what I'm taking from it, being the positive influence in somebody's life. I mean, he's like, get up, you know, one life, one shot. You know, you got to stay positive because this is all you get is one life. There is no reset. There's no extra lives, one and done. Right? And you know, that's why I try to spread peace, love, and positivity, even through this channel. You know, that's our mantra. That's what we preach here. You know, we don't judge people. I'm going off on a tangent now. I'm sorry. You guys know how I feel about it. And I truly believe in that mantra. So let's go, Parkway Drive. Oh, they going skydiving? More balls than I do. Sorry, it reminded me of something. I asked my mom one time. I said, Mom, if I paid for us to go skydiving, would you go with me? You know, my mom's a little older. She's getting up there. And she told me, she said, Joey, if God would have meant for me to fly, he'd have gave me wings. I said, all right, Mom, you win this one. No skydiving for Mom, ladies and gentlemen. It just reminded me of that. I don't know. I'm sorry. Ugh. Give it all you got. Oh, let's go. I want to hear that breakdown again, and let's not ignore the fact that he sang that while he was getting ready to jump out of the plane. That was cool. That's metal.
in its sights.
Boy, this is like a really this is a really positive song, but they make it sound so mean being metal, you know, with his voice and the growls, but it's such a positive song. It's so good, man. You know, he's saying don't give up, always rise. If you fall, get up. You know, be the positivity that you want in your life. Oh, let's go. Well done, gentlemen. Well done. Oh, that's why I absolutely love this band. Like they just, even in a music video, it's like they're putting on a show. You know, they're great. I wish I would have known about them, you know, back in the day when they first came out, but I was kind of in my own lane. You know, it happens, but hey, I hope you guys are digging the content. I really do. If you can, please push the subscribe button for me. It doesn't cost you a penny. It's completely free, and it shows support for not only the channel, myself, but the content that I make as well. 91.2% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Y'all take care of each other out there. Keep spreading that peace, love, and positivity. I'm Joey, and I'm out. Peace.